In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a process swim lane chart in Lucidchart. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to understand what a swim lane chart is. Essentially, it's a flowchart that delineates who does what in a process. Each lane is dedicated to a person, group, or department, helping to clarify responsibilities and improve overall workflow visibility. This is particularly useful when you're managing complex projects that involve multiple departments or individuals. Let's jump into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart website. If you're already familiar with Lucid's interface, you'll know it's incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. It's handy for creating visual representations of processes and data. Once at the Lucid homepage, you'll want to log in. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. Lucidchart offers the option to log in using various methods, including Google, which is a convenient option if you use Gmail or other Google services. Click on Sign up with Google to proceed quickly without the need to remember another password. This direct method is seamless, letting you sync easily with other Google tools you might use in your projects. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the document home interface. From here, click on Open to access your existing documents. If you haven't created any yet, now is a great time to start experimenting. Opening a saved document or beginning a new one will bring you into the Lucidchart editor, where the magic happens. Within the editor, your next step is to locate the Containers tab. This tab is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will find a variety of container options that help you organize content in your chart. Among these options is our key feature for today, the swim lane. Clicking on the swim lane option will add a swim lane chart directly to your workspace. At this point, it's important to remember that you can adjust the layout to suit your specific process. Depending on the complexity of your process, you might need to add several swim lanes to represent different roles or departments. What's particularly useful about swim lane charts in Lucidchart is the ability to customize elements within these lanes. You can add various shapes, text, and connectors that visually narrate the flow of the process across different lanes. This customization not only helps delineate roles and responsibilities, but makes sure every aspect of your process is accounted for and easy to follow. And there you have it, a clear, structured way to map out your processes using a swim lane chart in Lucidchart. It's a straightforward way to visually communicate how tasks are divided, who's accountable, and how the overall workflow functions within a team or organization. Keep experimenting with customization options to best fit your project's needs. Thanks for watching.